case investigation and immersion sa senior high school. Qualitative research and quantitative research, pag-uusapan din natin ito because ang III, combination of the two researches. What is qualitative research? It involves process and feelings and motives, that's why and how. This is an in-depth holistic idea. Pag sa quantitative research naman, it characterizes trends and patterns. Next, usually concerned with generating hypotheses from data rather than testing a hypothesis. Used to gain greater understanding of individual differences in terms of feelings, motives, and experiences. Kasi kausap mo mismo yung tao. At you can immerse yourself, especially kung ethnography yan, na mas nararamdaman mo. Used to gain greater understanding of groups' similarities. Quali and quanti, dito may interview, dito is more on statistics. So, flexible processes talaga dito. Yung kabila kasi structured. Kasi pag in-interview mo nga na conversation goes, yung sa structured kasi, may mga chinechikan sila dun. Methods include field research, case study, and secondary analysis. Isa naman, yung quantitative research, methods include census, survey, experiment, and secondary analysis.